Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert. Today we are going to make a free running POV LED display. POV means persistence of vision. This is a cardboard. When I bought a shirt, I got a rectangle cardboard box and I cut this piece of cardboard from it. You can use any cardboard, but it should be having this much strength. We are going to make a circular piece from this, comparatively a big circular piece. This is an RGB LED with flashing capability. I will show you with a 9-volt battery with a 1K resistor in series for protection. I will give you the link for buying in the description box. If you can buy it from your local market, then it will be more cheaper. For our project, we will be using a 3.7 volt battery and not 9 volt battery. And we are using this 9 volt battery for testing the LED only. We are using 3 LED of this type for the current purpose. These are the batteries I have, and we must use a lightweight and good capacity battery for this. This is 270 mAh battery, and this is 60 mAh battery, and this is 600 mAh battery, but this seems to be a bit heavy. And this is 300 mAh, pretty lightweight. We can make use of this. This is 135 mAh battery. But I think we can make use of this one because this is lightweight and having 300 mAh of capacity. This is an on-off switch for the LED, and I will show you how we are going to fix these LEDs in the cardboard. We will fix one LED here and second LED here, and the final LED will be fixed here. We are connecting the 3 LEDs in parallel, and RGB LED will work on 3.7 volt to 4 volt. You can even connect a 1 ohm resistor in series, but I am not using that here. If you have any suggestions, please comment on this video so that we will know that. We are using the straw of this drink for our purpose, or you can make use of an empty refill of your pen or anything. Do not use high power motor for this purpose, because high power motor will be having very high vibration. So you can make use of a motor in toy car, or if you are using a 12 volt motor, then reduce the voltage to the motor to 9 volt, so that it will be having nice speed and less vibration. Never ever use a super glue for fixing this to the motor shaft. Always use glue stick or rubber based gum for fixing this to the motor shaft. Next, we need to fix the motor in a PVC stand. You can change the diameter of the PVC assembly according to the motor you are using. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever we upload a new video. This is actually a reducer, 3 inch to 1.5 inch reducer. We are going to use this as a stand. When I asked the person in plumbing shop that I need a reducer from 3 inch to 1.5 inch, then they gave this to me. It has multiple attachments and they told to fix the whole assembly using a PVC glue or PVC solvent cement. But its look and feel is very much good. Step connector. The motor is fixed at the front side of the top portion. So there is a tendency to fall forward when we try to stand this in the base because of the wrong weight balance. So in order to avoid that, we have to fix a weight at this part. You can see I have fixed an old motor as weight inside the base. Or another way is to fill the base with cement or plaster of Paris, etc., so that the weight will be high at the bottom base. In short, somehow we need to add weight at the bottom for balancing. The motor is using separate 9 volt battery and the LED has 3.7 volt battery. please like and share our video. To be frank, I am telling the truth. The camera is not capturing its whole beauty. Might be the problem with the camera, but when directly viewing, this is an ultimate beautiful one. You can see the reflection from the floor, which is better than viewing directly through camera. If you have any suggestions, please comment on this video so that we will know that. This I have recorded using another camera. You can see this one is much better than the previous one, right? This camera also captured only 40% of the real beauty. Try this at your home. If you like our video, please click like button. If you do not like our video, click dislike button. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever we upload a new video. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.